In a world rife with challenges, the essence of success lies in our ability to embrace both guidance and perseverance. It is clear that through the tumultuous journey of life, one can find solace and strength in faith. The unwavering support of a higher power can provide a foundation of humility amidst the highs and lows. Acknowledge the moments of departure, but take solace in the knowledge the true connection endures. Thus, hold on tightly to your faith, for it can illuminate your path, guiding you through every decision and action, no matter how insignificant they may seem. As we stand on the cusp of new beginnings, we must recognize that fear is a natural part of growth. The world ahead may appear daunting, yet it is exactly this trepidation that signals the potential for remarkable change. Embracing your passions becomes essential. Pursue what ignites a fire within you and step boldly into the unknown. Take those chances, and don't shy away from the discomfort that comes with dreaming big. Yes, failures are inevitable, but they serve as essential stepping stones on the journey toward success. In the pursuit of dreams, understand that they must be coupled with concrete goals, for dreams without direction can easily dissolve into mere fantasies. Discipline and consistency are the twin pillars supporting your ambitions. Without daily commitment, the dream risks becoming an unfulfilled wish. It is through careful planning and determined effort that one begins to weave aspirations into reality. Remember, hard work is the currency of successful individuals. Yet beware of the illusion that busyness equates to productivity. Movement without purpose can lead to a frustrating stagnation. So reflect on your progress, celebrate small victories, and recommit to your goals daily. Embrace the grind, as every ounce of effort shares a space in your journey toward achievement. Let each setback be a teacher, each success a celebration, for in this intricate dance of progress, resilience, and faith, you will carve out a life rich with meaning and fulfillment. Push forward unceasingly, embodying the spirit of growth, and watch as your world transforms with every step taken towards your dreams.